bedroom may look clean, but professionals know the truth hides in places you rarely inspect. Your mattress, your curtains, and especially under the bed. Dust, dead skin, allergens, and hidden debris build up slowly over time. And because most people don't clean these areas regularly, the air quality in the room quietly changes. Professionals vacuum mattresses carefully and clean. Beneath beds during every major deep clean. Before we continue, if you're enjoying these professional cleaning secrets, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more deep cleaning hacks, professional techniques, and home maintenance tips that can help transform your cleaning routine. Some even sprinkle baking soda before vacuuming to remove trapped odors. And here's something surprising. Clean bedrooms often improve sleep quality because cleaner air helps your body relax better at night. But we haven't reached the most powerful cleaning mindset yet, because the next hack isn't about tools. It's about psychology. And it's the reason professionals stay efficient while others get overwhelmed. Part 9 is where everything starts connecting.